everyone, Jen here, and I'm here to talk about keeping our pump parts clean. So there's a few different ways that we can keep our pump parts clean on a regular basis. So someone had asked about cleaning pump parts versus sterilizing pump parts. Sterilizing does not need to happen on a daily basis. It doesn't have to happen on a every pumping time basis either. It really needs to happen when your pump parts seem like they need an extra clean. But hot soapy water is a great way to clean your pump parts on a regular basis. Now, for a mom that is pumping very regularly, a really great way for her to store her pump parts is to keep them in the refrigerator in between her pumping sessions. And what we like to say is that you can do this throughout the day, but they need to be washed at least once in 24 hours. So with that, what you're gonna do is pump. When you're done pumping, take the milk out, put that in whatever you're going to store it in, and then put all the rest of your parts and pieces in a Ziploc bag or a wet bag and store it in the refrigerator. Then the next time you're ready to pump, you pull those parts directly out of the refrigerator, hook them up to your pump, and you are good to go. And like I said, those parts should be cleaned once every 24 hours at the minimum. And then another way, so let's say you are out and about for the day, you don't have access to a refrigerator, but you do have your cooler bag to keep your milk cold, but you're going to be pumping a couple times throughout that day. The best thing for that scenario is going to be the quick clean wipes. There's a few different manufacturers that make them. We really like Medila's, and that would be the easiest way to clean your pump parts in between your pump settings without having to use a sink or water or refrigerator. If you have any other questions about cleaning your pump parts or anything else that you have for us, shoot them our way. We would love to answer them for you. Hope you all are having a lovely day and staying safe out there. Bye, everyone.